in the heart of Joyville, a lesson shines so bright. The strongest warriors know it's not just might, winning battles within, where pride and ego hide. True strength is found when you set them aside. Stronger together,